In this video, I will show you how to track a workout on the Oura Ring app. Now, this is actually very simple, so let's get started. First, of course, we need to open the Oura Ring app, and this is your home screen, right? So Oura automatically tracks your workouts if you wear them, of course. So if you go for a ski session, for example, it should automatically track your route, your kilometers, your everything that is important, but sometimes it is not accurate or not for some reason. Now, then you can track a workout manually. So you can have two options. When you tap on this plus button in the right down corner of your screen, you have two options, as you can see. So you can get, you see the option add a workout as well as record workout. So add a workout is if you did a workout and you want to add it afterwards. So for example, if you went for a walk, you can add this workout like after we did it. So you can change the duration as well as the intensity, and then you step on done. Or you can also record a workout, and recording a workout is basically if you're going to do it right now. So if you're going to go for a walk right now, and the difference basically is that recording a workout adds like the location as well as the your heart rate and all the necessary things. So that is a difference. So it's more accurate basically. So I hope this video is helpful. It's very simple basically. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.